Hi guys, here's a quick review on this TOI Beanie Baby 1997 Weenie the Dachshund dog. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Very nice, long looking sausage dog. Pretty nice and cute. I love his ears. Look at his ears. His ears look like they're like flapping through the wind. Look at that. It's funny. There's his tag right there. Zoom in. Very nice. There's the back of the tag right there. There's the long looking body right there. Zoom in. There's his body. Very nice and long. And here he is in the back. Very nice. Little tail right there. Stubby little tail. Very nice. Here he is like this. And the front, eyes are plastic, including the nose. There's his face. Very nice, long beanie plush. There's his tag. Let me set down the camera. Let me show you what his tag looks like. All right. Very nice. All right. It says. Alright, open the tag and it says Weenie, date of birth, July the 20th, 1995. Weenie the dog is quite a sight, long body and short of height. He perches himself high on a log and considers himself to be top dog. There you go. That's what his poem says. Alright. Now let's finish on to the review. Very nice looking plush. Like this. And like this. Pretty nice. And the back. Here's the tush tag. It's flipping down to the side. Let me show you what his tush tag looks like. It says, The Beanie Babies Collection, Weenie. Very nice. It says, Copyright 1995, Thai ink with PVC pellets. That's handy. And look at the stubby little legs right there. Very nice, very cute and adorable. Look at those stubby legs. I love those little stubby legs. Yep, little Dachshund dog. Very nice and adorable. I love this little Dachshund. And believe it or not, this plush will be 30 years old next year. So congrats, Weenie and Grunt. Very nice. Oh yeah, also consider the fact that this Beanie Baby was the first Beanie Baby to stand on all four legs, guys. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, so this one right here, Weenie the Dachshund, was actually the first Beanie Baby to stand on all four legs. Because usually the ones from the era when this guy was born, they were usually like laying down like, let me show you an example. They were laying down like this guy right here. Bruno. Yep. Very nice. But he's going to be in a different video. He's not going to be in this video. Alright. Very nice. Cute and adorable. There's the back. And here he is like this. Pretty nice. Here he is down to eye level. Very cute when he's down to eye level. Love it so much. There's the back. And like this. Very nice and adorable. And here's the front. There's his little face. His little stubby little legs. Here is up top. then the bottom. And here he is up top again. There's a little tail right there, wagging. You can see it wagging. Yeah, it's a wagger. So here he is like this, and like this, and that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 1997 Weenie the Dachshund Dog Plush. Alright guys, bye.